Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups. 31st of December 2020, and today's star is Punarvasu. Punarvasu is a star of Jupiter. So the planetary positions for the day: in Aries, Mars as a ruler; in Taurus, Rahu; and in Gemini it is Moon; and in Scorpio, Venus and Ketu together; and Sagittarius, Sun and Mercury together; and in Capricorn, Jupiter and Saturn together. So as the star is Punarvasu, which is the star of Jupiter, for Aries, the day seems to be highly positive in the areas of work, especially those who are working in a company. Those who are in the advisory role, like consultants, they find suitable positive things happening for that day. So again, those who are doing communication, they will find some positive results and they can achieve a lot of things out of it. For Taurus, today seems to be better. They can find some profits out of their hard work. Some may get some good benefits from their father and father's side. Some lucky times may happen for the day. Gemini. For Gemini, today seems to be an average for them, because there are both positive and negative things happening simultaneously for them. They will find good times as well as some bad issues also they may face, especially in the areas of workplace as well as in the business areas too. They may miss out some projects, at the same time they may find some interesting things happening in their life. Cancer. For Cancer, it is an average day for them. As the moon is there in the 12th house, they may find some expenses, but at the same time the 6th house lord, which is in the 7th house, and it is the star of the day, so they may find some issues with their life partners. They should be careful in dealing with the life partners as well as in the workplace too. Leo. For Leo, there are chances they will find some good things happening out of the children. So today, to an extent, it is positive from the children's side. At the same time, they may find some mental stress for the day. They may find some issues not getting solved, and out of which they will be in deep trouble. So they should relax themselves so that they should not feel stressed a lot. For Virgo, they will find both positive and negative results happening. As in the 4th house, you could see the Lord of Virgo itself is sitting, and today it is the star of the Lord where the Virgo's Lord is sitting. So we can say it's a partially profitable for them. Those who are in the business, they will find some suitable projects working out positive for them. Those who are looking for job opportunities, they will find some suitable jobs coming for them. They get selected out of the interviews. For some, they may invest into shares and other fixed assets, and it will be a profitable profitable move for them. Libra. For Libra, the day seems to be not so much positive, as the Jupiter will not work in favor for them. So they should be careful either in dealing all the issues with the life partners as well as in the outside world. So they may find some issues in their communications. They may find some issues in their health, even in the workplace as well as in the business. They should be careful. Scorpio. For Scorpio, today it seems to be more profitable. They may bring some good things to their house. They may purchase some lot of interesting things which they are not done for a long. Some of them may find a suitable day out of their communication. They will enjoy the day with their friends as well as the relatives. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, today seems to be a good day for them. Whatever the things they do, they turn out to be more positive. They will get some good revenue out of the day. Those who are doing business, they will find some good profits for the day. Those who are in the share market, they can expect some positive results. Those who are working in a company, they may find some good appreciations in favor of them. Capricorn. For Capricorn, they find a lot of expenses. Today seems to be highly expensive for them. Those who are in the areas of secondary market, they should be very much careful in dealing with the products. Aquarius. For Aquarius, again, the day seems to be highly profitable, but at the same time, they will find equal amount of expenses also. Whatever the amount that they get today, they will find an equal amount of expenses. They will spend this mainly for the mothers and mothers' health as well as for the children. Pisces. For Pisces, it is the day for them because the Punarvasu star is a Jupiter star and it is the 10th house. So you can say those who are working in a company, they will find things happening very much positive for them. Those who are looking for a job, they can try better today. Some of them may get selected into the interviews. Those who are looking for marriage alliances, they will find some suitable prospects for the day. So this is all for the day. I thank you all, and again I'll meet you tomorrow.